Hi. In this video, I'll show you how to create your own AI chat avatar, a conversational sales agent that you can use in Creatio. At Pitch Avatar, you can create your conversational sales agent that presents to your prospects or clients and answers their questions. You generate it and it keeps working for you 24/7. Set up your avatar with a name, photo, and voice. You can make it single language or multilingual, depending on your audience. Example: Creatio sales expert, focused on product features and ROI. Add a greeting and goodbye message, pricing info, and answers to common objections. Add to slides or leave the avatar standalone as a website widget without a presentation. Upload documents or case study links that your chat avatar will use as its knowledge base. Click Test to see how your avatar works. In test mode, you can listen to its answers and read its messages. Don't worry that the avatar has no lip sync. This helps save your AI avatar minutes. Like the result? Now it's time to launch your chat avatar by creating a link to it. Link settings work the same as it was described in the previous lesson. If you don't select languages, your avatar will automatically have all 70+ available languages in its menu. When you create a link, your chat avatar becomes available in 3 ways: via personal link, as an iFrame on your website, or as a floating widget. See how many chats turn into calls, demos, or completed forms. Your chat avatar can work as your sales manager, always ready to generate leads or calls, or as a support agent, or even a tutor to train your teammates. Your chat avatar is always online, helping your business grow around the clock.